Hey, what's up, guys? All right, it is 2017. Happy New Year. This video is long overdue. It's January 13th, 2017, 7:08 p.m. Okay, so let's get right into it. As always, I start off my chart with the U.S. dollar. Um, Start off with the daily chart. I've been a dollar bull for a long time, and I don't know, starting 2017, I'm starting to be more neutral depending on what happens in January, February. We have some sellers coming into the market right now that are trying to push prices down. So um, yeah, we could be topping off right here. Yeah, not confirmed yet, but it's a potential top. Um, and I want to be very careful what happens here because we could find ourselves on a flash. Not obviously, markets don't move in straight lines. Obviously, it'll do something more like this, then like this, then like that, and then finally something down to here. Um, this area right here, it's really exposed, and even down to this area right here, it's really exposed, the 95s. So I'm very cautious what we're doing in the month of January. The bears they've surprised me. I've been caught off guard with all the selling that's been going on. But such is trading, and you have to get adjusted. So let's talk. Let's look at the Aussie. Um, Aussie's been selling off since the presidential election, but man, look at this big rally right back up to 75. If you guys remember, I like 75 as an area for sells. 75, 70, 76 tops. I think this is just a daily, if not monthly, um, yeah, it could be a monthly retracement. I mean, November, December. I mean, yeah, November, December, early January. Yeah, a correction is due. Um, so I'm treating this area right here as as resistance. Yeah, I'm treating the 75 area as resistance, expecting something back down to um, 74, then ultimately 73. So 74, then buyers try to buy it back up. Um, get them down to here, this 73 area. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Um, yeah, as always, since Aussie is the big brother, the little brother, New Zealand dollar, kind of has to follow suit. So I think the last time I made the video, um, Aussie was I mean sorry, Kiwi was selling off, and we bottomed out right here, and we're same. It's doing the same thing as the Aussie, recovering up. Sorry, I keep saying Aussie. Kiwi, New Zealand dollar. I'm expecting a pullback at least down to 70, 69 area, right? And then bulls might try to buy it back up again, and from that point might start heading lower. I am a bear on this pair. I'm a bear on this pair. Let me show you why. Let me pull up a weekly chart, which I don't have. Just give me a second. Okay. All right. So now we have the weekly chart uploaded. If you guys follow me, I've been short Kiwi since I think October, September, around there. So I know this pair really well. And what's interesting, here's something very interesting I want you guys to pay attention to. If you notice, ever since I don't know, October, we've had 3 straight up weeks, and 1 or 2 down weeks after, right? So since October, right? Here we go. 1 up week, 2 up week, 3 up week, and after the third up week we have a red candle, a down week, and then a second down week. So 3 up weeks, 2 down weeks. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2 down weeks. Here we go one more time for the third time in a row. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 up weeks. Honestly, guys, what do you think my strategy is for next week? I'm thinking it's going to be a down week. The next 2 weeks are going to be down weeks, and it's going to push it lower. It's been doing it for a long time now. So I'm a bear. I think we're going to get 2 down weeks starting next week. Next week, the 16th. So from the 16th through into early February, I think we're going to get lower lows because of this this pattern that we've been seeing. I'm a bear, and I'm gonna stick to it. I know a lot of bulls are calling for a push up to 72, and then might even see 74, 76. But look, I've been trading this pair for a long time, and I just see this pattern, and I'm sticking with the pattern. It hasn't been broken yet, and I'm sticking with it. So I want to talk with one last pair, the euro. Jump into the euro. Okay, so let's talk about euro is kind of the inverse of the dollar index. So when I say that I'm careful of the dollar being sold off, also have to be careful of the euro being bought up. I am not a fan of the euro at all. But it looks like they're trying to put in a bottom right here. That's to me that's what it looks like. I mean, you have these wicks right here, a lot of buying going on in these wicks right here. Nothing but green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 straight up weeks. So you got to pay attention to that. So buyers want to buy it up. So next week though, let's jump down to the 5-minute, all the way down to the 5-minute. I'm a bear on the euro on this 5-minute chart. So I think early next week, what's happening is risk aversion is taking over. So early next week, if we get something, I'm thinking we head ourselves down to 105, 105.4, 105.6, maybe 105.4 around here, and then we can start talking about euro going higher, to 107, 108. But I just think we need a drop in price, especially with all the selling that hit the market today. Yeah, so that's kind of the plan, guys. Remain bearish on the Kiwi, especially since it's been following that pattern. Remain bearish on it. I'm expecting the next 2 weeks to drop, and I'm expecting euro to drop, and I'm expecting Aussie to drop. As always, you guys can follow me on Twitter at FX World Boss. That's a picture of me. Yeah. Say hello, say what's going on, tweet me. I do respond. And let's connect. If you have any questions about the video or any concerns, I'll be glad to answer them. Just hit me up on Twitter, or and we can talk. So that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys later. And thanks for watching.